Welcome to LatinPerDiem, and thank you for stopping by. You're here because you want to learn Greek and Latin. You want access to all of the treasures that are stored up in these languages through so many different authors, from Homer to St. Augustine to Calvin and so forth. Thankfully, I have just the thing that's going to help you gain confidence and ability in these beautiful languages. Here at LatinPerDiem, we have more than 1,500 freely accessible 5-minute, 4-minute videos that take you step by step through the different authors. They explain the grammar, the syntax, the content, the context, all of these different things. And did I mention that they're free? I'll be guiding you through each of these authors using all my years of study and experience. Yes, I have a PhD and all that sort of thing, but more importantly, like you, I'm a student. I'm just a more experienced student. I've been down this path. I've learned how to avoid the different pitfalls and obstacles that would keep you from accessing these languages in the way that you want to. So what I'd like you to do is subscribe right now so that you can receive these videos each day and you can begin the process of becoming an experienced and capable student in Greek and Latin. Thank you so much for stopping by. We'll later in proximum.